What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna...
Okay guys, so here's the catch can I'm installing right now. I'm sorry I didn't make an intro, that's fine. It's just a quick install. All you have to do is just well, I ordered this because it's used, so it didn't come with like an bolt for the mount on top of the engine bracket right here. It didn't come with a bolt, so I had to use one of the old bolts I had. I had a lot of bolts in my car, like so that was one of the downfalls. I had to search for my own bolts, but it came with everything else, and you got to reuse the old bolts on the PCV system. So I'm gonna show you guys how to remove it real quick and put it on. So let's go. Okay guys, so I found it. What you guys need is a T25 torque bit, and you just use it to remove the PCV system right here. The bolts were really rusty because this is a new engine. You guys probably already know what happened to my old engine. It went. I was just driving, right? Let me tell you guys the full story. I know I made a video about this, but what happened was I was driving home one night. I went to the city. This was exactly on New Year's, right? I was driving home, and then when I was driving home, right next to my house, my engine just decided, oh, I just want to go. Oh, I don't want to be in your car no more, and it just went. The RPMs flew all the way up. The RPM was so high, and then the car just shut off. I seen the battery light come on, everything on the dash came on. I'm like, fuck. I tried to start the car, it was not starting. I'm like, Jesus Christ. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm right next to my house. All I'm gonna have to do is call a tow truck. Mind you, I didn't even call a tow truck. All I did was I called my cousin boyfriend, and he came with his Jeep and he towed the car home. I had a tow rope in my car. I used it to tow the car home. But that was very scary, man. Imagine if I was all the way in the city when that happened. I would have been so assed out. It's not even funny. I'd have been so freaking assed out, dude. There we go. Now oh shit. Now we are making progress. Damn. Jesus Christ. Finally got it off. Shoot. Damn, that was a pain in the ass. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean the gasket up a little bit. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit before I even put it on. But I'm cleaned up a little bit. But what you guys could also do is just go on the BSH website and let's look up the instruction to take the freaking PCV system apart. You guys could also do that. I read the instruction already like 2 days ago, so I'm already good on taking that apart. So even though it was still a pain in the ass. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this and just, I should take these off. No, I'm just leave them on. I'm just turn them the opposite way so they're not really bothering me. Okay, so you want to make sure the gasket, right, is seated properly. So you push the gasket back in all the way. Make sure it's not like really poking out or anything, because you don't want it to really leak. So, and you gotta reuse the old bolts that come with the PCV stock system. So okay. Time to put them back apart. That's on. Now you could go ahead and tighten it down. Okay. Hopefully you guys could see what I'm doing. Okay. So I got the intake covered already, so we won't have any boost leak. And I have the PCV system on already. So all I have to do is just connect the hose, put the clamps on, and we are good to go. And that's it. So I'm gonna rest you guys back down again and just finish tightening everything up. Put you guys right here so you guys can see better. Okay, right there. That one going there. This one going here. In fact, I think I have an idea. I'm gonna unscrew this. This is the easier way. And I have some engine lube, so let me clean this out. This is just gonna help me just get it seated properly, because it's not going down and the gasket is being bent. So if the gasket is not straight, you're bound to have a leak. So I don't want it to leak, so I'm gonna lube it up a little bit with the engine lube. Not a lot, just a little bit, guys. And you just lube up inside, and it should go on straight. Should go on fairly easy. There we go. That was really easy, guys. Look, guys. Sorry about that. It's already on. Got the PCV system already in there. That's already in there. The PCV system, you guys see that? The catch can is already in there. The hose is already on. All I have to do is just tighten this clamp right here and tighten this, and we are on the money, and we are pretty much done. So let me rest you guys back down right here. So I'm going to knock this out right now, and then we're going to start it and see if we have any leaks. Hopefully we don't, because I'm pretty sure I did everything correctly. I'm pretty confident in myself. 110% confident I did every single thing right. Just want to make sure it's snugged on there. So let's fire it up and see what's going on. I think we're good, guys.